Hello, hello, OFP Nation. It is Wednesday, April 2nd, 2025, and we are here for our midweek analysis. Can you guys hear me okay? Can everybody hear me okay? Nick, can you hear me okay? I mean, you should be the first person to respond since you are right there.
Yeah, right. Seated right next to you.
You're literally right there, darling.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks so much. Boxing Corner is so great to see you. So we are going to go ahead and we're going to dive in, right? We're going to take a look at what's been going on in the markets this week, guys. And as you guys know, NFP is this Friday. And we're doing a giveaway for that, if you didn't know, but I'll save that for later. I'm going to step back and hang out with you guys in the comments. And I'm going to let Nick go ahead with the watch list.
All right. So let's begin first with dollar index. So right now with the dollar index, it seems like we are literally just moving sideways at this current moment in time. And we're supposed to be bullish, but we're not being bullish. But we're yet to see where everything goes. Right now, everything is just sideways. So I believe we're even just going to come all the way down here, then bounce from there, then come all the way up until we probably reach this level. That's our aiming goal. But either ways, if you're still bearish on euro dollar, on pound dollar, and all that, then there's a possibility that this may still pan out. But right now we're still moving sideways and the market just seems undecided. But hey, let's move over to euro dollar. So euro dollar pushed slightly up today, like just wixed all the way up, and we are back at some same level. And we seem like we might be going down to make a new low probably by the time NFP comes around. But that just seems like that's what the market is waiting for right now. It's waiting for NFP. So we are yet to see how that pans out. But for now, we're just going to watch the market when it comes to dollar related pairs and whatnot. And that will lead us directly to look at pound dollar as well. Pound dollar looks like it wants to make a new high because it's literally back to this resistance level. So it might bounce from here and then come all the way down, or it might shoot all the way up. But the way everything is looking to me, it seems like maybe the jobs numbers won't even be that good for the NFP. We know unemployment numbers were great, but the way everything just seems to be setting up just seems like it may be bad for the US dollar at this point in time. So it's best we definitely look at this in a different way because the market seems to already be pricing in what we should expect for NFP. So that's just my insider look on what may actually happen and where we might be heading with NFP. Right. And now let me just bring up the other things. One moment. Okay, so let's look at dollar yen as well. So dollar yen just shot up like this past few hours to the upside. We're still bullish on it, I believe, and we're literally aiming to reach 152. Dollar yen seems to be very uncertain since it has been pushing all the way up, then it's shot all the way down. Right now, it's just like a trick of 50-50. Either we're going to make a new high or we're going to push slightly lower. But overall, it still is bullish as we broke this trend line and we have been moving up since then. And we've been holding it for quite a while. So I still believe that we are going to reach this level of resistance really, really soon. But yes, we're yet to see what NFP numbers say. Here, this is giving a different story. It's giving a story that yen might weaken and dollar might strengthen, but we are yet to see what NFP brings. It may actually strengthen the US dollar, and all of this that we are seeing with the charts may not likely be what it is. So that is my anticipation on dollar yen. Let's now look at CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss also been at the same place. We have Canadian unemployment later this week, so maybe we might have some bit of movement on CAD Swiss for the week on Friday. We're yet to see if that will be the case. So let's just keep an eye on that. And then let's move over to pound yen. Pound yen has also done the exact same thing as dollar yen, but with a bigger candle. Yeah, so it has come all the way back up to this resistance level that has been up and about. It was touched here, it was touched there, it was touched here as well. The fourth time it went past through it and then came all the way down, and we're back here. So this is like a key level at this point. It's either we're gonna push all the way up, continue to the upside, or we're gonna have a reversal from this point. So that's how I'm seeing things with pound yen. But overall, I'm still bullish on pound yen. That's what I am still anticipating on it. And then let's look at gold. So gold has been pushing up strongly. Could this be the top of gold? Well, I'm not too sure on that. If we zoom in more, we can see that probably the trend line was broken. Yeah, the trend line was broken on gold. And we have practically been moving sideways. We had a push up, then we moved sideways for a bit of this few hours. Literally, the whole day we've just been moving sideways, a push up, a push down, a push up, and push down. Right now we're down, and we're yet to see what will happen next. Tomorrow is Thursday, and after Thursday is Friday. So everything just seems to be waiting for NFP. Like I said, dollar related pairs. This is just what is currently happening. It's like there's no movement until NFP comes about. ISM, sure, there was some movement with ISM manufacturing, but that was like kind of short lived. It was just a spike with strength on the dollar and it ended there. And everything's just back to the way it was as we left it last week. So let's also look at NAS 100. NAS 100 pushed strongly to the upside and then it had a bearish movement down, and we are yet to see what happens next. Right now, we have been down since the beginning of, well, mid-February, and we have been having some force breakouts to the upside, pushing all the way down. But could this be it? Could this be the time when NAS 100 will now finally be going into a bullish trend for the rest of the months? Well, maybe, but we're yet to see. NFP again will set the tone for everything. But of course, we are looking to reach probably this level around 20,260. That's what we are currently anticipating right now on NAS 100. Then on US30, we have the same scenario, but US30 looks to be more bullish because we had a push up here and then we had a pullback and then pushed up stronger. So we most likely will be finding ourselves up here at this resistance level and maybe even going right past that. And then we might even find ourselves around 44,000 by the end of this month. And now let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we seem to be at a level of resistance at this point because we reached this level a couple of times. Just right here, we have just like slightly touched it. So we have just wixed it. So this is the exact level which Bitcoin came up to, and then it came all the way down. This was somewhere around 87,000. We reached this level, consolidated for a bit, then pushed all the way down. And right now we are currently there. So this may actually mean that we may be bearish for the rest of the week and probably make a new low right below 81,000. So we're yet to see that play out. Maybe it will, maybe it will just break right through and then make new highs and probably even reach 94,000. But I am still anticipating that Bitcoin may actually be reversing at this point of resistance and be coming all the way down. And then let's move over to Ethereum. So Ethereum literally touched this level but didn't breach right through. So I'm still anticipating that this could be a level it's currently reversing at to make a new low. But overall, everything still looks bearish on Ethereum at the current moment in time. So this is where our analysis ends for today. Yeah, so Rhea, you can come out from hiding now.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Can you hear me okay? Okay, good. I didn't catch if you were able to see the request to go over NQ. I didn't catch if you did or not. Did you go over NQ?
NQ. We already went through NQ.
I can't. Okay, I couldn't. Okay, I wasn't sure if I caught it or not. So thank you. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
well,
I'm just
that's
double checking.
usually before crypto. So it's like we
Did I lose you? Are you still there?
go
Oh no, I think we're losing you. I can't hear you. Well, okay.
all right. Can you hear me all right?
I hear you.
Okay.
All
Yeah, yeah.
right.
So like I said, we always start with currency, then commodity, gold, then indices, then crypto. Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. Yeah, sometimes I don't catch it. Because I, sometimes multitask. So but okay. So you guys are asking about the giveaway. So here are the details for the giveaway. Okay. You have to be a part of our Discord community, which we do put the link for our Discord community in the description if you are not already there. And then tomorrow morning Eastern. What is 8 a.m. Eastern? What is that in CET? Is that
That should
2
be
p.m.
that should be 2
I'm in
p.m.
Central. I'm in
Yes.
Central time.
No, it
So
should be 1 p.m. 1 p.m. CET.
is it?
Yeah,
No. Okay,
I
8
am
a.m. EST
telling
is 7 a.m. Central, and 7 a.m. Central is typically 2 p.m. CET. Anyway, y'all, it's 8 a.m. Eastern Standard New York time. Okay. um, so tomorrow morning in our Discord community, in our market analysis channel, we are gonna put a poll up. And all you have to do to enter the giveaway is just answer the poll. So answer the poll. We will have the poll up from 8 a.m. Eastern tomorrow until 7 a.m. Eastern on Friday. And then Friday, we'll probably be here a few minutes early before 8:30 Eastern, which is when the NFP news release will be. So you can come and join us live around that time, and we'll kind of take a look and see what happens. And then, of course, we'll announce the winner of the giveaway at that time. So that is it. It's pretty simple. Please only answer the poll once, and of course we will randomly select one winner. And that is it for the giveaway. Nick, do you have anything that you wanted to add?
Nope, nothing at this point.
All right. Well, guys, we are going to get going. If I'm trying to think, I think that was it. So we'll be back on Sunday. Well, for our market analysis on Sunday, but we'll be back on Friday for the NFP release, the report, and then of course the giveaway. So we will see you guys on Friday. Well, mostly you will see Nick on Friday, and then I'll be here on Sunday. All right, you guys have a good night, a good rest of your day, a good morning, wherever you are in the world, and we will see everyone again soon.